Hello and welcome everybody, it's KB here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys better way to install Windows 11. Yesterday, I uploaded this video titled Better Windows 11 Edition, and few hours later, Chris Titus uploaded this video. In this video, he shows a simple trick to install Windows 11 without any bloat plus with local account. Since my last video was kind of similar to the video that Chris Titus made, and I was like, I have to make the video in this trick. Trust me, this thing will blow your mind if you like clean Windows 11 experience. Now let me show you guys how this simple trick works. First, if you have Windows 11 installed, then you may have to reinstall it if you want to apply this trick. In future, if you want to reinstall Windows, want to do the clean install, you can apply this trick. This is amazing. This is actually what I'm gonna do in my next clean Windows 11 install. I'm gonna show you guys this trick in virtual machine. So when you enter the Windows startup, the first page you see here, the trick is applied here. So simply what you have to do here is change the language in time and currency format. Change it to English world. By default, it should be at United States or some other country. But if you change it to English word only, this will do magic in your Windows 11 installation, which I'll show you as we go through this install. So after that, hit next and click on install, just like you install the Windows 11. Rest of the setup page remains the same. You don't have to change anything. So go through the setup page as you normally would. You might see this error, something went wrong. This is totally normal when you apply that simple trick. So in here, just click on skip and then just do the normal setup just like you do. Now here is another important part. If you want to use local account, this is where you stop. It asks you to sign in with the Microsoft account. Simply go to sign in options and then click on domain join instead. And now enter your local username, whatever username you want to enter. I'm gonna type here KBVM because we are just doing the test, and you can put the password. Since you're using local account, you don't necessarily need to put a password. So if you want the passwordless Windows 11, then got it. So click on next and you don't have any password. And that's all you have to do. Now we'll wait for it to get finished. I'm pretty sure you're gonna be amazed to see this Windows 11 installation. And here it is. I know it looks normal, but when I click on start menu, voila, it's clean. No bloatwares. There are some bloatwares like if you go to the all apps, like some Microsoft apps only, movies and TVs, Microsoft Teams and other apps, which you can actually manually uninstall them. Mostly it's clean, and we have the local account working here. So yeah, this is how you install the Windows 11 in a better way. This is just amazing. And one more thing, if you want to use Microsoft Store, then it won't work right away. It will say that it is not available in your region because we haven't set any region. That's the reason that it's not working. So we have to change the region. So simply to fix that, go to settings and then search for region settings and go in there, and in country or region section, change it to whatever country you want to set or wherever you live. So let's say I want to set it to United States. Done. Once you do that, open the Microsoft Store and you can see Microsoft Store is working, and we haven't even signed in yet. And one more thing, you don't actually need to be signed in with the Microsoft account to install most of the games and apps. So let me give you guys a demo. I'm gonna install this game, Candy Crush. All right, I'm gonna click on get and you can see it's downloading. It doesn't even ask for Microsoft account. So there is another tip for you guys. You don't need a Microsoft account. And I just found out about this. I was thinking that we need a Microsoft account to download games and apps from the Microsoft Store, but it turns out, no, you don't. Yeah, nice. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you still have any questions or have any suggestions for me, then you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.